Welcome to the third session of ratios. In this session, we will take a look at a few more basic operations of ratios. If A as to B is equal to 3 as to 4 and B as to C is equal to 5 as to 6, then what is the ratio of A as to B as to C? Let us solve this question. Now you see that in A as to B and B as to C, B is the common term. So write down the three terms A, B and C such that the common term is in between. So we can write the value of A as to B as I have shown there, and we can write the value of B as to C as again I have shown 5 as to 6. Now to find the ratio A as to B as to C, first multiply 3 and 5 as shown there and you get 15. Next multiply 4 and 5 and you get 20. And next multiply 4 and 6 and you get a 24. So 15 as to 20 as to 24 is the ratio A as to B as to C. So let us take a look at another similar question. We have if A as to B is 2 as to 3, B as to C is 4 as to 5, C as to D is 6 as to 7, what is the value of A as to B as to C as to D? So we can solve this question in a two-step process. We have A, we have B, we have C. And in this first step, we can write A as to B as 2 as to 3, B as to C as 4 as to 5. And now we can write A as to B straight away as, for B we multiply 3 and 4, we can write here 12. To get the ratio of A, we can multiply 2 and 4, we'll get 8. And for B is to C, we can multiply 3 and 5 and we can get the value as 15. So we have got the ratio of A as to B as to C in the first step. Now we can continue with the second step and we write A as to B as to C as to D as, we have the ratio of A as to B as to C as 8 as to 12 as to 15 and C as to D as 6 as to 7. All you need to do is multiply 15 and 7 and we will get the value as 105. Then multiply 15 and 6, we will get the value as 90. Then multiply 12 and 6, we will get 72. And 8 and 6, we will get 48. So we get the ratio of A as to B as to C as to D as 48 as to 72 as to 90 as to 105. On simplifying this further, we'll get the ratio as 16 as to 24 as to 30 as to 35. Next, some more basic questions. If 2A is equal to 3B is equal to 4C, then what is the ratio A as to B as to C? Again, the traditional method is we equate 2A is equal to 3B is equal to 4C equals to K. And therefore, on equating 2A with K, we get A is equal to K by 2, B is equal to K by 3, and C is equal to K by 4. And now simply take the ratios. K by 2 as to K by 3 as to K by 4. And remember, when you simplify these ratios K by 2, K by 3, K by 4, you get 6 as to 4 as to 3 as the ratio of A as to B as to C. Now we can directly calculate the value of A as to B as to C. If 2A is equal to 3B is equal to 4C is equal to K. Now if I want the ratio for A, just ignore the coefficient of A and multiply the coefficients of B and C. In this case 3 into 4. So 3 into 4 gives you 12. Now if I want the ratio for B, just ignore the coefficient of B and multiply coefficients of A and C. What do you get? We get 8. Next, if we want the ratio for C, just ignore the value for C and multiply the coefficients of A and B, we get 6. So 12 as to 8 as to 6, which can be simplified as 6 as to 4 as to 3. This is almost a one-step method of calculating the ratios. So with this we come to an end of our session. If you wish to watch more videos, please log on to www.pfindia.com. If you wish to ask a query or a doubt, you can write to us at studentservices@pfindia.com. And if you're watching this video on our website, please use the Ask a Doubt feature to raise your queries. Thank you very much.